Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a not really a full face, although I will be inserting clips of me putting these products on so you guys can see how they work. But I just wanted to kind of like show you drugstore makeup I will always repurchase till the end of time, okay? I've been doing this, I've been on the beauty industry for pretty much about 10 years and I've tried high-end drugstore and really cheap makeup, and these are products that just really stand out and perform just like high-end. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. A few things I want to point out before we start the video. One, the makeup look that I have on the clips and the makeup look that I have on is completely different because I filmed that video I think last week, and then I went to edit it on Sunday and realized that this portion of me talking through the video, I didn't film myself. So here we are. I had to just reshoot this again, which is not a big deal, but that is why I look completely different. And I did some curtain bangs, ended up cutting them way too short. So now I have full on bangs, which I'm not totally hating on, to be honest. But anyways, with that said, let's jump right into the video. Starting off with brows. So the Ardell Brow Glue. This is the Instant Lamination Kit. Oh my gosh, ever since I discovered this a few months back, I have not used anything else because I do have thicker brows. They're really hard to stay down. I love this because it literally holds them down like nothing ever has. I've tried the e.l.f., I tried ABH, I've tried the Beauty Bay, I've tried other brands of the wax and nothing works. Everything would flake on me, it would get really like white, or it just wouldn't last on me. This is the only thing that keeps my brows down in place. I love this stuff so much. And then I go in with the NYX Thickening Brow Mascara. This will add not only thickness to your brows, it will also tame them and kind of like settle them in place. It adds so much color onto the brows that it just literally makes them look like perfection. I think this is my second tube and I will forever repurchase this. Now this is my baby, okay? The NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I think I used the shade Black. Yep, Black. This is a product that I just cannot recommend it enough because it is that good. If you suffer from thinning brows, or even if you have thicker brows and you're just looking for a affordable pen to really like fill in your brows, give you that natural look. If you want to draw in faux hairs, this is the pen. This is I think my third pen that I've gone through, and again, I will forever repurchase this because it just looks so natural and it does take time. It's a product that you kind of learn to use, but once you get it down, seriously, she is your BFF. So thank you, NYX, for making some bomb products at an affordable price. Of course, our base, duh, e.l.f. Like, is there any other brand that does base best? I don't think so. So this is the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. As you can see, mine is dingy. It's hit the pan. It is ready to go. This one is great for oily skin, large pores, or texture. Use a little bit in the problem areas, smooth it out, and bam, girl, your pores, where we don't see them. And then of course the Power Grip Primer. Now it really depends on which one you like best. I like them both. I am running out of both, which says a lot because I don't go through primers that quickly. But this one just really grips onto the makeup if you're looking to prolong the wear of your makeup, make it look smooth, and give you a little bit of dewiness. These are it. And of course, we all know that these are a great dupe for the Milk Makeup gripping primers, whatever that is. At this point, e.l.f. is like the queen of gripping primers, okay? So yeah, 10 out of 10. She's the best. Maybelline does, in my opinion, some of the best drugstore foundations, and they're crazy affordable, okay? I've raved about this one for years and years and years. It is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is for normal to oily skin. I am in the shade 228 Soft Tan. This really reminds me of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is one of my all-time favorite high-end foundations, which kind of tells you a lot because this is like my all-time favorite foundation. And this is something that is more recent, but when I tell you I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. Maybelline Super Stay Skin Tint, okay? I am not a skin tint girl, but there is something about this that just really takes your skin on another level. This is the foundation that I'm wearing today because I can't put it down. I love to mix these two and get just like the perfect complexion. If you don't want anything heavy, if you want something light, breathable, medium to buildable full coverage, and that has vitamin C. I don't know if it really does. This stuff is it, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, thank you Maybelline for making this because it is that good. Next up is concealers. Now this one might be a little bit surprising. I don't know if you guys would know which one is my favorite drugstore concealer, but of course for my corrector, LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach. This is the GOAT. This is the only concealer or corrector that you need. I have tried some high-end ones, and let me tell you that it does not matter unless you're willing to pay for the brand name. Huda just released pro correctors, and I'm not throwing shade at her or anything, but you do not need to spend 30 40 some dollars on a corrector when LA Girl has you covered for $2 3. Now for my concealer, Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. This is the shade light medium. Oh my goodness, you guys, when I was going through like my concealers and I was trying to figure out, okay, what concealer would I like repurchase over and over again, and if I had to pick just one concealer for the rest of my life from the drugstore, which one would it be? And immediately, Flower Beauty. This is such a great concealer. It is light on the skin. It is full coverage. It looks beautiful. It blends out beautiful. It doesn't have a dewy finish, but it's also not super matte or drying. It's a really great, almost creaseless concealer. I definitely need a new one because mine smells a little funky. Okay, this one I wasn't too sure about if I wanted to mention it, but I feel like Juvia's Place technically is considered a drugstore. Like when you go to Ulta, Juvia's Place is within the drugstore section. It is not in the high-end section, so therefore I'm including it. The new Juvia's Place conceal or not concealers, the cream bronzers. This one is in the shade Caramel. Oh my goodness, like thank you Juvia's Place for making this. This is so good. It literally reminds me of the e.l.f. Putty Primers, which yes, those are cheaper than this, but look at the size of this. The creaminess, it just blends super easy. If you guys are a fan of the Say, I believe, the cream bronzer, literally a dupe for that one. So again, this is performing like high-end for half the price of that. So great cream bronzer if you're looking for something new. Now if you're wanting a powder bronzer profusion, this one is so good. The bronzer that comes with 6 different shades. Mine is so beat up, but I love this stuff. You get, like I said, 6 shades. Unfortunately, this doesn't suit a lot of skin tones, but if you can get away with using it, definitely buy it because you get not only like nice shimmers at the top, but you get really nice matte colors at the bottom. You can mix and match, mix them all together and create your own little concoction, which is what I do. You can also throw these in the eyes, which is what I did today, just to kind of add a little bit of warmth into the eyes. And well, these are so beautiful, and I think it's about $5 6, so totally worth the $5. Setting powders, y'all, this one again, Maybelline, I'm sorry, you're just taking the cake. The Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Light. I love to use this one because it's so lightweight on the skin. It is super finely milled and it just really sets the under eyes without over baking and without over drying. If you're looking for something to set the entire skin, the Maybelline Fit Me in Matte and Poreless is another great one. I haven't tried too many like pressed powders from the drugstore, to be completely honest. So this one for me is just a product that I've repurchased over and over because I just stick to what I like. So if you guys know of any, let me know in the comment section down below so I can check them out. But this one is just, she's bomb. And for pressed blushes, I have to give it to ColourPop because again, they have so many formulas, so many shades, and at an affordable price. These can be found at your local Ulta in the like drugstore section. Again, I have so many of these shades because they're just beautiful. And then of course, for highlighters, these are just some of my personal favorites. I can't think of it like a drugstore highlighter that really stands out at the top of my head besides the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blushes. These are the ones that I've just been using pretty much, honestly, like half of the year, I think, at this point. These are perfect for texture skin, mature skin, or if you're more of a soft glam girl, this is literally the highlighter for you. I have Be My Sunlight and Be My Highlight. I mix them both because this one is a little lighter and this one is a little more bronzy. They just give you that natural, like dewy, healthy skin that we all want. Like it is donut skin season right now, okay? And these are it. Like these are the products that you need. Of course, this video would not be complete without lips. You guys know I love nude lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, anything. I'm surprisingly wearing pink today and I'm really loving this lip combo. But for the lips, I have to give it to NYX. NYX, I think, has the best overall lip products in the drugstore. I'm just going to show you some of my favorites. The NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream is one of my absolute favorites. I love the formula. This will really plump up your lips, and if you have a lot of like little wrinkles on your lips, this is a product you want to try out. The NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Dainty Days. Like I have it memorized. For me to have something memorized is a big deal, okay? This is the perfect nude color, you guys. It is so, so beautiful. Of course, their butter glosses, like hello, these are a staple. I'm sure everybody has at least one in their makeup collection. Their newer ones, the Milky Gloss, are so bomb. They have so many colors and they also have really fun colors like blue, purple, and orange. And then of course there's soft matte lip creams. Like you just cannot go wrong. Their lip liners as well. Also Morphe has really good lip products, especially their lip liners. I love their lip liners. And of course, to seal the deal, we gotta go in with a setting spray. Now I don't have the e.l.f. one. I forgot the name, but it's like I will put a picture right here so you guys know which one I'm talking about. I ran out of that one a while ago and I honestly have just been forgetting to purchase it. But if you are looking for a spray for in between, like not to completely set your skin, but to kind of like just melt all the products together, you guys know what I'm going to say. Yep, Morphe. Mini Continuous Prep and Set Mist, supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. Everybody's raving about this for the right reasons. First of all, their Continuous Mist. I don't even want to use this because I'm so low on it. I'm pretty sure it's almost out and I need to go buy a new one. It just sets the skin so nicely. It doesn't leave you too wet. It blends your makeup like a dream. It melts all the products together and your skin is just radiant, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just can't rave enough about this product. Then of course, I will go in and actually set the skin with the e.l.f. mist. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, those are my products, you guys. This is literally drugstore makeup I will always repurchase till the end of times. Like bury me in these products and I will be happy. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love seeing what you guys love. What I don't have, I'm gonna go try out, so leave me your suggestions. Thank you guys again for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.